Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 is making a horrible noise and losing suction, you're likely facing a common issue. This can occur due to a faulty motor or a buildup of debris in the machine. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage and ultimately a more costly repair. To get started with this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor compatible with a Dyson V10, a pair of tweezers, and a soft cloth to clean any dust or debris. First, ensure your Dyson V10 is unplugged and lay it on a flat surface. Using your screwdriver, remove the screws from the back cover carefully. Make sure to keep the screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull off the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. With the cover removed, you will see the motor assembly. The noisy operation usually indicates a problem with the motor itself. To locate it, look for the cylindrical component attached to the main body. Carefully disconnect any wires connected to the motor, noting their positions for reassembly. Use your screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor in place. Remember to apply gentle force to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, gently wiggle the motor free from its housing. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new motor and position it where the old one was. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring it's snug but not over-tightened. Reconnect the wires according to the positions you noted earlier. Before you replace the back cover, take a moment to clean the interior of the device with a soft cloth, removing any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Once everything is clean and the new motor is in place, carefully align the back cover and press it down to click it into position. Replace the screws to secure the back cover, ensuring everything is tightly fitted. Finally, plug in your Dyson V10 and turn it on. Listen for any unusual sounds and test the suction to ensure it's working properly. If you followed these steps, your device should be back to normal. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. Keeping your Dyson V10 maintained will help prolong its life and performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.